Hi, my name is Jyoti and I'm sharing my favorite nut butter recipe. It is amazing because it's very simple to make. It's super versatile, can be used in all sorts of ways, and it's absolutely delicious. My kids think it's way better than the store-bought version. The way I make it is I just roast some nuts, throw them in a blender, and blend them at full speed. And that's it. Then I store them in a jar for a couple weeks, 3 weeks, but they finish way faster. And I put them in all sorts of things. Of course, almond butter toast, avocado toast, parfaits, overnight oats, regular oats, desserts, all kinds of things for extra healthy snack and breakfast. So I hope you love it and you'll make your own. Enjoy.